Building AI applications that can access information from the internet rely heavily on data and its quality. Without good quality data, even the most advanced LLMs will produce poor results. But collecting this data from the web isn't easy. That is the reason behind web scraping being an expensive process, costing companies an average of $40 hourly. And it doesn't stop there. Before you can use the data as input to your LLMs or even simple applications, it needs to be cleaned and processed into a structured, usable format, a complex and time-consuming task. Today, we're going to explore an incredible AI tool that solves all the problems that we described a few seconds ago. It's called Firecrawl. With Firecrawl, all you need is a URL, and you will get high-quality data in a structured format, along with code that lets you integrate this into your existing workflows and applications. Let's start with a simple example. I'll use the URL of my website, FutureSmart AI, and paste the link here. And here, we have all the data in Markdown and JSON format. It also provides the code for it, so that you can use it in your own code or scripts for automating a process that uses data from the web. Let's run this code in Python. It mentions that we first need to install the package, so let's do it and then run it. We've got all the information and even images and logos used on the page. See how easy and effective it is. Continue watching this video as we are going to see in full detail what Firecrawl can do. Firecrawl offers several features. You can see these different tabs on the screen. Single URL option allows you to scrape a single URL. We have already seen this at the beginning. Crawl lets you extract data from all the different pages of a website without a sitemap. Map allows you to extract out all the URLs of a website, but what's really worth is its ability to extract specific information from a web page. You can specify what information you want to extract, and Firecrawl will do it for you. Let's take a look at all of these one by one. We will first try crawling an entire website. Firecrawl will parallelly make requests to all pages on the website and return the cleaned data from each page. Here's the result. We have data from all the pages of FutureSmart AI. Next, the map feature. It returns all the URLs of a website. If you want, you can exclude all the other subdomain and just keep the specified domain. This can be useful if you want to get a quick overview of a website's structure. Finally, let's look at the extract feature. With this feature, you can extract only a specific part so that you don't have to spend time and credits on unnecessary data you don't need. So let's ask it to extract the services offered by the company. You can manually enter the parameters or entities you want to extract. These are the services that are displayed on the page. Let's paste this URL in Firecrawl and wait for the result. We have got the list of services in a structured format. The prices are 0 for all entries because the website did not mention any. Firecrawl did a good job extracting the data in a usable format with least intervention from our side and minimal instructions. This tool is a valuable asset for anyone who needs to extract clean, usable data from websites, especially for AI applications. Firecrawl comes with a free plan that allows you to scrape around 500 pages, with paid plans available for more extensive needs. You can also check out their open source version on GitHub that you can host yourself. It's a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time and effort in web scraping and data cleaning. Whether you're building an AI agent or just need to extract clean data from websites, Firecrawl is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.